Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, because I have literally 285,000 feet of new growth from my perm, I'm going to be doing a roller set. And I decided I wanted to try, I've never used these before, the flexible spiral curl rods. I only have one thing, so I also have some purple rods because I probably am going to run out. I think there's 18 in here. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm for sure going to do the top with all these. I think there's two sizes. A green and a purple. I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to do the front first, just to make sure I have enough rods for the front, or the flexi rods for the front. I'm also going to do the front facing forward, so I'm going to have 3 front sections. And I'm just going to use water and leave-in conditioner. I never used these before, so I'm interested to see how they're going to look. These are quite long. You could have pretty long hair. Just bending it to secure it in place. Get on my face. Now the next side, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you, with you.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away.
Okay, now the top. This is a lot easier than I expected, and doesn't take as much time as I thought either. It takes a minute to figure out how to get them rolled and secured, though. I'm pretty sure there's multiple ways, because that's why they're bendy. This is a look. I'm going to do the first, probably 2 front layers with the rods because they're super short, and I want to just thought I'd let you know.
Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
Okay, top, front and top done. I ran out of these. So if I had one more pack, I would have been able to do my whole head. There's 18 in the pack. But I just found this in my sister's house, so I couldn't choose how many I could have. So I'm just going to use the purple rods on the back. And let it dry for 100 years. Okay, she's all rolled up. Now I just have to let her dry for literally 8 million hours. My sister has this like portable hair dryer, so I'm gonna use that to speed up the process.
Fall into you.
Okay, I'm back. It's literally been 8 million hours, and I'm not even joking. So let's take these out. Hopefully my hair's dry. Do I want to start from the top or the bottom? I think bottom. Curly, cool. My hair's gonna be so short. Two left. Oh, 3 left in the back. Okay, got the back out. The back's completely dry, so hopefully that's a good sign. Oh, what is this? Craziness?
I found myself, but I fall into your lies all again.
Where'd you go?
My hair's gonna be so short.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it. Let me feel it.
Fall into you.
Whoops, sorry.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say
The last melon. Oh my gosh. Look how short my hair is. So this is what it looks like just taking them out, not doing anything really. This is the look. I really just want to like see what it would look like. But first I'll be gentle to show you what it could look like. So I'm going to like separate my curls first. Show you that. And then I might just poof it out. Depending on if I like how it looks separated. My hair is looking very soft and feeling. Whoa. Dude, I don't want you sticking straight up.
and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance.
Little poofy head. Honestly, I was not expecting my hair to be so short. Looks like I'm wearing a wig. So So this is what it looks like, just separating the curls. Look how much my hair is shrunk up. Boom. Boom. Actually, it's not that bad, but I'm just not used to my hair being so short. It would probably be super cute with like ears. Okay, I'm gonna take this comb thingy and just like pick out the curls. Oh yeah.
Take a chance on faith, so take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back.
Oh yes, that's the move. Part. Cute. With the dark roots. Yes.
Take a chance on faith. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
Okay, this I like. Bow.
It's something I never wanna say.
I don't want to do.
Stand my ground. I need to be you, I meant to be.
Cute, 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 cute. Now I want to try it with the ears, like I said. No, this is kind of random, but I think it'd be cute.
Don't see it any other way. I know.
Already cute.
I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I never could.
Cuteness, cuteness, cute. So this is the finished look. Honestly, it's not at all what I thought it was gonna look like. I did not expect this much shrinkage. I don't know why. The curls, I expected the shape. Not this much shrinkage. But it's fun trying stuff, new stuff. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Pew. Pew.
I never wanna look back.
Boop, boop, boop.
Take a chance on